Obtain the Fourier series for f of x equal to x square. Limit minus pi to plus pi. Listen, if the limit is of the form minus a2 plus a, listen, if the limit is of the form minus a2 plus a, we can check the function is odd or even. Listen, if the limit is of the form minus a2 plus a, we can check the function is odd or even. If the function is odd, means a naught equal to 0, an equal to 0, bn is equal to 2 by L into integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Listen, here limit is of the form minus a2 plus a, we can check the function f of x is odd or even. If we get it is odd, the function is odd, then a naught equal to 0, an equal to 0, bn is equal to 2 by L into integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. If it is even, implies a naught is equal to 2 by L into integral 0 to L f of x dx, and an is equal to 2 by L into integral 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx, and bn is equal to 0. Then here the limit is of the form minus pi to plus pi, that is minus a to plus a. For example, minus 2 to plus 2, the limit is minus 2 to plus 2, minus 1 to plus 1, minus 3 to plus 3, minus 8 to plus a, minus pi to plus pi. That is limit is of the form minus to plus same number, plus here minus pi, here plus pi. So we can check the function is odd or even. That is, we can check f of x equal to x square is odd or even. Then how to check the function is odd or even? Here the variable is x. Put x equal to minus x. Put x equal to minus x. This is x square. Put x equal to minus x. That is minus x square. Minus x square means, what is minus x square? Minus x square is minus x into minus x. That is positive x square. We get the same function. Here instead of x we substitute minus x, but we get the same function. Means this x square is even. We get same function means it is even. For example, listen here. If the function is suppose the function is x cube, we put x equal to minus x, that is minus x cube. Minus x cube means minus x cube. Minus x into minus x into minus x is minus x cube. That is minus x into minus x, positive x square. Again minus 1 minus x means minus x cube. That is, we get x cube with the minus sign. That is, we put x equal to minus x, we get minus x cube. So this is odd. This is odd. Here x square, so the function is even. So we can write a naught equal to this formula, an equal to this one, and bn equal to 0. So listen, here f of x equal to x square is even. Therefore, a naught is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. What is L? L is upper limit minus lower limit by 2. That is pi minus minus pi is pi plus pi by 2. That is 2 pi by 2, which is pi. So 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. F of x is x square dx. That is equal to 2 by pi integral x square dx is, what is integral x square? X cube by 3. X cube by 3. Put 0 to pi. That is 2 by pi. Here 1 by 3 is constant. Into 1 by 3 x cube. Upper limit is pi cube minus 0 cube. That is 2 by 3 pi into pi cube. So here pi cube. So pi square in the numerator. That is 2 pi square by 3. This is A naught. Then what is an? An is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. That is equal to 2 by pi, L equal to pi, integral 0 to pi, f of x is x square cos n pi x by pi dx. That is cos nx. Listen, 2 by pi, integral 0 to pi, x square cos nx dx. Here integration by parts or UV formula. Integration by parts or UV formula. That is equal to 2 by pi into first function into integral of the second. Integral of cos nx is sin nx by n minus derivative of x square is 2x. Integral of sin nx by n minus cos nx by n, here n, so n square. Then next term alternate negative, so next here negative, then next term is positive. Derivative of 2x, 2. Integral of minus cos nx by n square minus integral of cos nx is, first write derivative of 2x is 2, then integral of minus cos nx by n square is minus cos nx is sin nx by n, here n square, so n cube. Then next term minus derivative of 2 is 0. So then substitute 0 to pi. 0 to pi. That is equal to 2 by pi into, put x equal to pi, pi square sin n pi by n minus positive 2 pi cos n pi by n square, positive negative minus 2 sin n pi by n cube. This is upper limit. Then minus of lower limit. 0 square into sin 0, 0. Minus positive 2 into 0 into cos 0, 0. Plus, then minus 2 into sin 0, here 0. That is, here lower limit is, all the terms are zeros. That is equal to 2 by pi into sin n pi. Sin n pi is 0. Sin 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, etc. 0. Sin n pi is 0. So here 0. Pi square into 0. Plus 2 pi by n square into cos n pi. Cos n pi. Listen. Cos n pi. That is odd pi minus 1. Even pi is positive 1. Here n pi. If either n is even or odd. So we write cos n pi equal to minus 1 raised to n. Listen. Cos n pi equal to minus 1 raised to n. Here n is, suppose this n is 1. N is 1 means it is odd. So here substitute 1. Minus 1 raised to 1. Minus 1 raised to 1 is 1. That is cos 1 pi is minus 1. Substitute 3. Cos 3 pi. That is equal to minus 1 raised to 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That is negative 1. So here we substitute n is odd, we get minus 1. Then put n equal to 2, cos 2 pi, here minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is positive 1. Then n equal to 4, cos 4 pi, minus 1 raised to 4. Again positive 1. So general formula for cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. Here minus 1 raised to n minus 2 into sin n pi is 0. That is equal to 2 by pi into 2 pi minus 1 raised to n by n square. Pi. So 4 into minus 1 raised to n by n square. This is an. This is an. Therefore, the Fourier series expansion f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where a0 is 2 by 3 pi square. a0 is equal to 2 by 3 pi square divided by 2. A0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an. What is an? 4 into minus 1 raised to n by n square. This is an cos nx plus bn equal to 0. So we write 2 pi square by 3 divided by 2 means into 1 by 2 plus here 4 is constant. So 4 into sigma n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n by n square cos nx. This is f of x. Here bn is 0. Here the function f of x equal to x square is an even function. So bn equal to 0. So f of x equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 into sigma n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n cos nx by n square. This is the formula for Fourier series.